Every millionaire investor has one thing in common. Not luck, not stock picking skill, not a massive income. They all use the compounding effect. And in this video, you'll see exactly how compounding quietly turns ordinary people into millionaires. By the end of this video, you'll understand what compounding really is, why it's the most powerful force in investing, how it turns small money into massive wealth, and how to activate it in your own life. If you've watched this channel so far, this is the video that ties it all together. Most people think investing is getting quick returns, finding hot stocks, timing market moves. But real investing is different. Real investing is letting compounding work for a long time. Most people never stay invested long enough to see compounding's true power. Compounding means you earn returns. Then those returns start earning returns. Then those returns earn even more returns. At first it looks slow, almost invisible. But over time, growth becomes exponential. This is the engine behind every large investment portfolio. Let's use a simple example. $300 per month, broad market ETF, 8% long-term average return. After 5 years to approximately $23,000, 10 years to approximately $55,000, 20 years to approximately $170,000, 30 years to approximately $425,000, 40 years to approximately $1 million plus. In the early years, growth is small. In the later years, growth explodes. That's compounding. Notice something important. Most of that $1 million came in the last 10 years, not the first 10, not the middle 10. The final years are where compounding becomes unstoppable. That's why staying invested is more important than starting big. To activate compounding, you only need a brokerage account, a broad market ETF, monthly contributions, patience, no market timing, no stock guessing. No financial genius required, just consistency. Everything you've learned in this channel leads here. Start early, invest consistently, use ETFs, stay long-term. Do that and compounding does the rest. This is the real secret behind wealth. Most people never become wealthy, not because they can't, but because they never stay invested long enough to let compounding finish its work. Now you understand the truth. Compounding is quiet. Compounding is slow. Compounding is unstoppable. If you follow the process, one day you wake up and realize your money grew bigger than you ever expected. If this series has helped you understand investing clearly, subscribe to Jarrett Invests. Every video here is designed to make investing simple, realistic, and achievable from any starting point. You don't need luck to build wealth.